7.6. The objective of this lesson is to find markups, discounts, sales tax, and tips. These are real-life applications of percent of change regarding increase amount or decrease amount. And that was what we learned in 7.5. Markup just means an increase from the wholesale price of an item to the retail price. Wholesale price, for example, if we have Costco, okay, it's a company that sells an item in large amounts to a smaller business such as Welcome. Costco can offer Welcome a wholesale price for a certain item, but the retail price will be what the customer pays. And this retail price usually could be a higher price than the wholesale price because Welcome, the smaller business, might want to make a profit off the customer. Okay. Let's look at a example of finding a retail price. A street vendor buys bracelets from a manufacturer for $7 each. So the manufacturer will be the wholesaler. The vendor marks up the price by 150%. What is the retail price? So the vendor clearly wants to make a profit. Okay, so method 1, you can do retail price equals wholesale price plus markup. So you just write $7 plus 150% times 7 will give you the amount of increase, which equals to $17.50. And remember, from 7.5, the wholesale price will just be the original amount, and the markup would just be the percent of change, or the percent of increase, times the original amount. Same equation, but a different perspective. Method 2, finding the new amount. Markup means increase in amount, so we can also use 100% plus p% times original amount to get the new amount. Okay, this was also presented in 7.5. If you don't remember, please go back and check out the video. So I can simply write 100% plus 150%, the markup, and multiply that by 7 to get 1750 as well. I usually like to use method 2 over method 1. Finding a sale price. Sale price just means something becomes cheaper. You buy an electronic organizer that is on sale for 15% off the original price of $25. What is the sale price? The first method would be take the original price and you subtract the discount. So for this part, I didn't work it out, and I'll do it right now. So 15 divided by 4, you would get $3.75. And then we can take $25 and subtract $3.75. And to get $21.25. So $21.25. Method 2, I prefer this method over the first method, was just to take 100%, subtract the discount of 15%, multiply by the original amount to get the new amount. So 100% subtract 15% is just 85%. So 25 times 85 over 100. And then we can simplify. And you would also get $21.25. Using sales tax and tips. When you go to a restaurant in the States, you need to pay sales tax and tips. The bill for your restaurant meal is $22. You leave a 15% tip for the waiter. The sales tax is 6%. Okay, typo here. What is the total cost of your meal? So your equation would be food bill plus sales tax plus tip. So when you take $22 plus 6% times the food bill plus 15% times the food bill again to get $26.62. The sales tax and tips are considered increases in amount, so you need to multiply the percent by the cost to get the extra amount, okay? This is just a side note. Now, the last one, finding an original amount, meaning the amount before it was marked up or discounted. A furniture store marks up the wholesale price of a desk lamp by 80%. The retail price, meaning the new amount, the selling price to the customer is $35. What is the wholesale price, which is the original amount? Let X equals the wholesale price. The retail price would equal to 100% plus the markup price times the wholesale price. So I can sub in the retail price for 35, rewrite 100%, and then sub in markup percent for 80%, and then let wholesale price be X, and add 100% plus 80% together to get 180%, and 35 equals 180 over 100x, and if we do the math, 18 divided by 9. Okay, and then we multiply both sides by the reciprocal. And 5 times 35. And you should get 1944. And we want to round to the nearest cent. Let's do some practice. A street vendor buys bracelets from a manufacturer for $7 each. Okay, so this would be the wholesale price. The vendor marks up the price by 120%. What is the retail price? Okay, so we're looking for the new amount. So we're going to take 100%. We're going to add 120%, and we're going to times the original amount of $7. I'm using method 2 because I think it's easier. So 2 to 0 over 100 times 7. We can simplify. So 11 times 7 is 77 over 5, and after division, we should get $15.40. Okay, you need to write your answer in decimal form, including the dollar sign, okay, not in mixed form. A pair of jeans that originally costs $2 is 25% off. Find the sale price. So original amount $2, and we need to find the sale price, which is the new amount. So we can take 100%, subtract 25% times the original amount of $2. So we get 75%. Just put that over 100, and then we can simplify. So 3 divided by 2 is just $1.50. A store marks up the wholesale price of a printer by 80%. So markup 80%. The retail price, okay, the new amount is $120. What is the wholesale price? So this is the original amount. We're looking for the original amount. Okay, we're going to let that equal x. So we can set up the equation like this. 100% plus 80% x, original amount, equal to the new amount, 120. So that would be 180 over 100, x equal to 120. Now we can simplify the left-hand side and multiply both sides by the reciprocal of 9 over 5, which is 5 over 9. So x will be equal to about, let's see, 66.67. Okay, this answer we needed to round to the nearest cent. Okay. And last problem, when you use a coupon for 15% off the original price of a headset, you pay $27. So this would be the new amount. What is the original price of the headset? So we can take 100%, subtract 15%, times the original price. We can let that equal to x, and the new amount would be $27. Okay, and then this would be 85 over 100, x equal to 27. Simplify 85 and 100. That would become 17 over 20. And then we can take the reciprocal of 17 and 20, which is 20 and 17, multiply it to both sides of the equation, cancel out the 20 and the 17, and then x would equal to 540 divided by 17. And after doing division, you will need to round your answer to the nearest cent. So it should be 31 and 76 cents. I didn't work this out for you. So I would like you to try it out by yourself and see if you get the same answer as I did. And that's it.